To install Elixir on Ubuntu, we'll start by navigating to elixir-lang.org/install-html. Next, find the section on the page for Ubuntu, and then copy this command here and paste it into the terminal. This command will add the Erlang repo to the system. Next, I'll copy this command, sudo apt-get update, and I'll paste it into the terminal, which should update the package manager. After that's done, I'll copy this command, sudo apt-get install esl-erlang, and I'll paste it into the command line as well. This command will install Erlang and the Beam virtual machine. Finally, I'll copy this command, sudo apt-get install Elixir, and I'll paste it into the terminal as well. This command installs Elixir. Now, just to verify Elixir was installed, I'll head back over to the command line and I'll run the command elixir-help, which should display some help text if it was properly installed, and that's exactly what we see. Okay, in the next video, we'll take a closer look at what we just installed.